Hi there. Today I will be guiding you to how to rewrite a book in Sudowrite. This process is simple and easy, and you can rewrite your all words with the help of Sudo. Make sure the thing that you write is fully corrected. Here you can see I have 3 templates, and this one is the book template, which I write in the Sudowrite with the help of GPT. So let me open it. Now here you can see it's a written book. Now in order to rewrite in the words, the first thing is select that paragraph or the line which you want to rewrite, just for showing you. I want to rewrite this paragraph, so what I will do is I will select it with the help of my mouse. After selecting here, you can see different options like comment, rewrite, describe, expander, just like we want to rewrite. So simply I will click on it after clicking on it. Take a look on the right side. Here you can see a little bar. Here you will see the option of rephrase. Click on it. And there you can see I make it shorter. If I click on it, then I can make it more descriptive or show and not tell, more inner conflict, more intense, or even I can customize it by myself. And also I can make it more quirky. So I will click on it and we'll select this option shorter. Let me make it a bit shorter. Now, it's based on the 5 line of my book, so let me click on the option Go, and it will start rewriting this paragraph. And once it will be done, I will insert it instead of this. Now, the rewriting has been done, and here you will see 2 paragraphs. Select which one you like. Click, copy, and select. Then you can see the 5-line paragraph has been converted into almost 4 lines. Another interesting thing is how can we make it more descriptive? Select again, click on the option Shorter, and tap on the option More Descriptive. Once you will select, click on option Go. It will start rewriting, and now it's making it more descriptive. You can see the paragraph is now more descriptive. And if I copy and paste here, now that 5-line paragraph has turned into 11 lines. Do whatever you want, select and turn it to a shorter or more descriptive or make it conflict. Once you think everything's ready, click on it and see it in your computer. And it's the way by which you can rewrite your book in the Sudowrite.